Hey friend, how you doing? I am Dr. Burgandi Collins and welcome back to Chiropractor in Real Life, where on this channel I share my highs and lows, my successes and failures of running my own solo chiropractic practice. But this channel isn't all about me. I also like to share mindsets and insights on how we all can live life a little bit better. And today's topic is something that I think you're going to enjoy. Now, for some reason, a lot of people are super stressed out today. A lot of people are going through some things. We're not going to get into why people may be feeling more anxious or more stressed out nowadays. Right now, we're just going to talk about how we can improve it. Today's topic is countering stress and anxiety with play. Yes, I said play. Yeah, we're going to play through this, okay? Today, I'm going to share 7 amazing activities or ideas on how you can counter the stress and anxiety in your life simply by playing. So let's get right to it. Number 1, coloring books and activity books. Now, this is something that is near and dear to my heart because, honey, I love me a good coloring book. This is my favorite coloring book. I had to bring it in to use it in this video today. I love coloring. Now, why is coloring so great for stress or for reducing stress and anxiety? Well, coloring calms the mind by promoting mindfulness, focus, and creativity. It engages the brain in a meditative, repetitive activity, reducing stress and activity. Now, the act of choosing colors and filling spaces fosters relaxation, distracts from worries, and enhances mood by stimulating a dopamine release, and also permits a sense of calm and satisfaction. Now, there are so many coloring books on the market today. You can find them everywhere. If you're an adult, there are lots of adult themed activity or coloring books. And since I mentioned activity books, that's the next one, activity books. Now, activity books can range from the seek and find books. I have some really, really cool ones. I wish I had at least one to show you. But there's some really, really cool seek and finds. Also, activity books like word finds and word searches, and some really, really great activity books out there. Okay, just go on Amazon and you'll find many to choose from. Now, activity books help to reduce the anxiety by engaging your mind in focused, structured tasks and also promoting mindfulness and relaxation. So, number 1, coloring books and activity books. Number 2, game nights or days. Now, game nights/days help to reduce anxiety by fostering social connection, laughter, and mental engagement. Playing board games, card games, or even video games promotes relaxation, boosts dopamine, and provides a fun distraction from stress. Friendly competition and teamwork enhance the problem solving skills, resilience, and overall emotional well being in an enjoyable, low pressure setting, which is important. We're trying to reduce that pressure. So that was number 2, game nights/days. Number 3, one of my favorites, organized group sports. Now, playing organized group sports reduces anxiety by promoting physical activity, social connection, and teamwork. It boosts endorphins, lowers cortisol, and fosters a sense of belonging. The structured environment encourages focus, discipline, resilience, and also providing a healthy outlet for stress while improving mood, confidence, and overall well being. Now, I have some experience in organized group sports. I have joined, there's a league up here in the DC area for kickball, and I was in that league. And my team, for some reason, 2 years in a row, we were the worst. We were so terrible. I don't know why my team was so terrible. There was one game we all called cramps. I pulled a hamstring. It was awful, but it was fun because we're out there playing right outside of Washington Monument. And although we lost just about every game, we got we got t-shirts, and it was fun. I enjoyed it. So consider organized group sports. All right, number 4, rough house activities. Yep. Rough house activities like jiu-jitsu, self-defense classes, boxing, kickboxing, wrestling, and rage rooms reduce anxiety by releasing built-up tension, lowering cortisol, and boosting your endorphins. They provide a physical outlet for stress. They enhance your confidence, improve your focus, and promote resilience, helping to process emotions in a controlled, empowering, and therapeutic way. Rough house activities. All right, number 5, one of my favorites too. Playing with some animals. You got an animal, you got a dog or a cat around, you got a neighbor with a dog or a cat, get with that dog or that cat. because playing with animals reduces anxiety by promoting relaxation, boosting oxytocin, and lowering cortisol. Physical touch, companionship, cuddling with them little things, and playful interactions promote comfort, joy, and a sense of connection. Pets encourage mindfulness, laughter, and movement, and offering emotional support in a natural, soothing way to release stress and improve overall well being. Now, if you don't have a cat or a dog near you, I mean, there's squirrels running around and raccoons. I mean, be careful, but they might let you play with them. You can try it. All right, number 6, also one of my favorites. Well, kind of. Playing with the kids in your life. Kids are crazy. We know that, right? They have an imagination, they have an energy that is unmatched. That's why you got to get with the kids and play with them. It will help to reduce your anxiety and stress. Now, playing with kids reduces anxiety by encouraging laughter, creativity, and mindfulness. Their energy and joy are absolutely contagious, helping shift your focus away from stress. Now, engaging in play boosts dopamine, strengthens emotional bonds, and fosters a sense of fun, spontaneity, and connection, and promoting overall relaxation and well being. Now, if you're far away from the age of kids and you don't know what kids like to do, what will be fun, a fun activity for an adult to do with the child, consider drawing or painting, tag, hide and seek, run around in the playground, basketball, biking, sports, role playing, storytelling, make believe. Make them kids have an imagination. Make believe can be crazy and fun with the children. Of course, classic board games, video games, of course. Like my family, we love to play Nintendo Wii Sports. That's very physical and it's a whole lot of fun as well. And also dancing and roughhousing, and you get my drift. All right. So number 6, play with the kids. All right, last and definitely not least, number 7, also one of my faves, but I want to reduce some stress and anxiety. Play with puzzles or do puzzles and build Lego. I have a Lego family. We love to build some Lego. In fact, a couple of spring breaks ago, we went to Legoland, and it's absolutely one of the best trips of my life. Legoland was so much fun. It was amazing. But I digress. Doing puzzles and building Lego help reduce anxiety by promoting focus, mindfulness, and creativity. Now, these activities engage the brain in problem solving, providing a calm distraction from stress. And also, the repetitive hands-on nature boosts dopamine, enhances patience, and fosters a sense of accomplishment, leading to relaxation and mental clarity. Okay, so now we have 7 ways that we can counter our stress and anxiety simply by playing. Now, play reduces anxiety by promoting relaxation, creativity, and social connection. It triggers dopamine release, it lowers cortisol levels, and encourages mindfulness. Now, engaging in fun, unstructured activities provides a healthy escape from stress. It enhances problem solving skills, fosters emotional resilience, leading to a greater sense of joy and well being. Now, if you're still having difficulty managing your stress or want additional ways to manage your stress, I have just released a brand new book. It is now available for sale on Amazon. The book is called A Path to Calm, A Guide to Overcome Anxiety. The link is below. You'll see some amazing tips to that book. I highly encourage it. But again, we're going to be reducing our stress and anxiety through play. So it doesn't matter what's going on in the world, we're going to play right on through it. All right. Thanks for watching to the end of this video. It is Dr. Burgandi Collins, chiropractor in real life, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.